Here's app called TapTap Live Social Trivia. So let's just try TapGet to install it. Game shows with friends. You're invited. TapTap Live is an invite-only trivia game for cash and eternal glory. Live every day at 5 p.m. Pacific Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Answer 12 questions right, win cash and glory. Play with friends to get power-ups. Track progress on the TapTap leaderboard. So yeah, this is kind of, there was an app called HQ Trivia, which was a huge popular app, but then basically something happened and the app was shut down because now there are some alternatives if you like to do some trivia. So then you can just go to this app and see and create your number and create your account by entering number. And just give it a try. Then there are some, I will send you a code and you will need that code.